Hello my YouTube friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and I'm working on a 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe, and this video is reaching out to my YouTube subscribers and my friends. I need a little help over here on this 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe. It has a coolant leak, but it's I found the leak where it's at, and it's a minor hole right here in the radiator. Let me see if you can see that. Right there, you see that? It is a tiny hole. You see it? So I'm wondering if anyone knows how to fix this without changing the radiator. The hole is so tiny. Let me clean it up so you can see it real good. Yep, it's a tiny hole in there, but I don't want to change the whole radiator if there's a way to fix that tiny hole. So I'm reaching out to my YouTube friends and subscribers. If you know a way to fix this radiator leak right here, this small leak, or do I have to change the whole radiator? Get back to me right away. This is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments, questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.